Stay in there. Stay.
Welcome back to the cleanest shed in all of Australia right now. It's definitely a joke. Man, I need to clean this place up a little bit. We're back. We just got out of lockdown. I've decided to kick the year off with my favourite job of all time, and that's changing the tyre. Now this, the guy at the motorbike store was like, do you want me to do it for you? And I was like, do you know what? That's probably the smart option, but yeah, no, I like to destroy my knuckles, and usually I pinch a tire or two at the same time. But I said to him, I was like, there's no better feeling than when you put it on, you pump the tire up and it stays up. So I'm going to have another crack at it again, and I think there's probably going to be a montage of me just yelling and throwing tools and stuff at the moment. But I've bought a bunch of these things because you can never have too much of those things. And I'll show you why I actually wanted to change a tyre. Now, I've had some tyres that looked pretty bad in the past, but considering that it's now showing parts of this, and this, I thought it wasn't the worst idea in the entire world to change it over. And the guys at KTM Newcastle, who actually just got awarded with best KTM dealer and gas dealer in Australia, I went straight there and I said, hey, I need a front tyre for the the YZ, what have you got? And he said, can't go better than the MX 53 something. So I'm going to chuck that on, and then yeah, it'll add hopefully about 10 horsepower to the bike. Okay, she's on. Actually, not too hard. I definitely learnt from the last tyre. Oh my lord. It's a pretty good improvement from 4 hours down to 1, but that wasn't actually too bad. Let's pump it up. I think we're going to do an oil change. It's been a couple of rides since I've done that, so I thought that'd just be a fun activity for this morning, and then we'll clean the air filter, and then apart from that, the bike's ready to go. It's got a new front tyre on it. And yeah, it'd be good to get back into it. First kind of riding event for 2022. And yeah, so let's just go get it. Final right from the holes. Yeah. Well, I caught it, but it's still a couple of ways left. So, oh well.
Ready?
Have you ever been beaten by white spaghetti noodle by your girlfriend because she has a twin sister and you got confused? Well, that's how it feels to drive a Ford F-250.
What even is that? Ford.
Oh. Easy, DOS. They didn't even make us sweat. Let's keep going. Alicia's running to the rescue. I saw your light sliding out and I was like, oh, that doesn't look good. Oh my god, it is much. Oh, it won't go backwards? If you turn your wheel right hand down and reverse, you should be okay. Yeah, so putting your wheel so you're just curling it, curling around. You should be fine.
I don't know.
Let's have a look at this side.
It's not good.
Oh no, that's okay. He'll be fine.
Oh. Maybe it wasn't as bad as I thought it was.
That's fine. No, that's fine, dude. That's fine. It was just sliding. Yeah. How'd you get up and get around?
I want to go up the other way though.
Yeah, I think I noticed too that when I came at it like that, I just kind of hopped up and over. But yeah, I can see where you're like just on that angle, just slides down. What do you reckon, Noah? Time to go change the tyre? I've got no idea what's going on.